Welcome to the info with me OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google option of Google Assistant on this device. So first we should launch Google application, and after that tap on the right down corner, then click here to the settings and then tap to voice section. But first be sure that Google Assistant is activated here in Google Assistant section, and then tap to general options. Now we can see that the Google Assistant is activated, and after that we can activate the Hey Google of Google Assistant feature. So click here to the voice section and tap to the voice match. Now just to activate this feature, click here once on this feature, tap to the next, read this description. After that click here to yes I agree and pick continue. Now Hey Google feature is activated, but we should add our voice model to assistant to recognize our voice. So click here retain voice model and say okay Google, okay Google, Hey Google, Hey Google. And now just tap here to finish. And after that, when we'll say Hey Google or Okay Google, this feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.